danger zone, strictly baddie zone, for my bad boys and my bad girls. So let's get into it. For a clean makeup look, you want to prep your face. I prep my face with my primer and my SPF. You can prep your face with whatever you use to prep, but this is what I do, and it gives me a glowy and clean finish. Going in with my foundation, and I'm using my fingers to apply this all over my face. I grabbed my sponge and I'm using my damp sponge to blend it all into my skin. Sponges give the skin-like effect, so if you're going for a skin-like effect, you would want to grab a sponge. But if you're going for a more hairbrush effect, then you can use a brush to apply your foundation and to blend it all into your skin. So for concealers and contour, I like to place my concealers and my contour very high on my face because I have very big cheeks and I want my face to be elevated and snatched. So I'm going to place them very high, and I'm just placing them where I normally place them every time I do my makeup. To blend, I'm using this brush, and like I said earlier on, if you want a skin-like finish, use a sponge, and if you want the airbrush finish, you use a brush. And I have found that using a brush for my concealers and contour, it keeps them in one place rather than using a sponge. Most times I like to just mix the vibe, and I love the effects that it gives when everything comes together. It's just flawless and smooth.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up, I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it so.
To blend my contour, I'm going back in with a sponge, and I'm just gonna use this to tap and blend it all into my skin.
I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home.
For blush, my sister gave me this crayon type blush as a gift. I really love it because it's the perfect shade for my skin tone. And I don't know if I can get a link to it, and I'll link it down in the description for you guys to go check, because it's a great product and it blends well into my skin. So I applied my highlighter on my face, and I'm just going to blend that in. But right before I blend it, I'm going to let it rest, and I'm going to do my brows. So this is how I do my brows. I grab my eye pencil and I just use this to fill in my brows. This is what I do when I'm feeling lazy and don't want to do too much to my brows.
Never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold, 'cause I can't move on till I let go.
So I'm just going to blend the blush and the highlighter into my face, and I'm just gonna let you guys watch. So for the part that we've all been waiting for, to draw the smoky eye, what I do is I grab my black eye pencil and I just use this to draw a regular wing. I'm not trying to be perfect or precise. I'm just doing this, how I can, because I'm going to blend it out with a brush later on.
Told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way.
So I'm just drawing out my eyes because this is what brings out my eyes.
Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, because everybody wanted
to blend. I'm using a very small fluffy brush to just blend, and I am blending this very gently because I do not want to overdo it. Imagine where or how I want the smoky eye to look and just follow that. And now to set my face, I am just applying my favorite setting powder all over my face, and I'm going to tap and press that into my skin. So I'm just setting the center of my face to brighten that area a little. And now I'm going to set to lock everything in and apply my mascara on my lashes. And right after applying my mascara, I'm going to apply my lashes, but I'm going to do that off camera. So for my lips, I was contemplating on which I would use, either black or brown. I was so indecisive, but I decided to go with black. And yeah, there's no turning back now. I had already started, so I'm just going to do it anyways. And I'm just going to define my lips with the black liner. So I went in with concealers on my lip, and I just tapped that in there and blend it all in. And after that, I applied a red lipstick on my lips, and honestly this didn't turn out looking red. It looks purple or pinkish. I guess it was because of the concealer and because of the black lip liner, but what do you guys think? I actually loved how it turned out anyways. So now I am just adding some natural freckles with this brown pencil, and I went in with my black liquid liner and I'm applying some bold ones as well, and I'm locking everything in with my setting spray, and voila, we are done. Like, I really love this look. Very bold, very bougie for my baddies. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.